So, in this demonstration, we'll be looking at list data type. We'll continue with the list data type of Python, and we will have a demonstration of creating a shopping cart, okay, using a list. Okay. So when you say shopping cart, we will have some list which contains items, various items, and then we keep adding items into the cart from the items. So let us call it as stack item from item stack to cart, shopping cart. So we'll be adding some items. So we'll add all the items. Then we will do we'll add items selectively. Both the things we will do. Okay. So let me go to my Anaconda navigator. Right here, let me call this items stack is a variable. Items underscore stack is a variable. Then I will have a list of items. So let me call it as soaps. Then I will have paste. Okay. Then I will have tamarind. Okay. Then I will have some some other items like tur dal. Then I will have sugar. So of course I can have many items like this. Okay, soaps, paste, tamarind, tur dal, sugar. Then I will have rice. Then I will have wheat flour. So these are the items. So let me just find out how many items are there. So I'll just say Control V. Okay, so I can just say len or length of. Okay, 7 items are there. There are 7 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 items are there. Okay, fine. Now I want to find out. I want to selectively, or I want to add all these items into the basket. So let me call. Let me just come to the cell below it. So I click here. Now how can I do it? So what I'll do, I'll just create a thing called a basket. This is also a list. It's an empty list. So item stack is a list of items. Look at this. A square bracket followed by items, separated by commas. Okay. So you can see here square bracket, then closing square bracket, and the number of items are 7. Now I create an empty list called basket. Now I want to select items, or I want to add all the items from the item stack into the basket. So what I will do, I'll just use a while loop. While items stack is not equal to empty list. Look at this. So this is how you check. When the item stack is not empty, that means I want to add all the items from the item stack into basket. So when the item stack is not equal to empty list, that means as long as the items are there, this will be true, because we are given item stack is not equal to empty list. So we have items, so this will be true, because it's not equal to empty list, because it's a list containing items. I'll just come here. I'll just say first let me just item is equal to items dot stack dot pop. So pop is one method which removes the latest element which we added in the list. See, wheat flour. That was item which was last added. So it will pop and put it into item. So when you say pop, it completely removes from the list. The list being mutable sequential type, the items can be removed, items can be added, anything can be done, or updated, anything can be done. Okay. So from item stack we pop the last item and we put it into item. Suppose if you want, you can just display. Look at this. Print item. You can just see one by one. You'll get wheat flour, then rice, then sugar. We'll just see the output. Look at this. Wheat flour, rice, sugar. Fine. So it will be coming in the order by latest, actually, by latest. Okay. Now this item which we got once, for example, once you print item, and once the while loop completes, so if you print item stack, look at this. It will be empty, because all the items are added to basket list. Okay, basket list. Sorry, it was not added right now. We just removed it. That's it. We're going to add it. Now what I'll just go here, basket dot add, or I'll call it as append. It's called append. Okay, then item. So look at this. Okay, so now what happens? We pop. When you say pop, it completely gets removed from the item stack. Okay, and the popped item is available in item variable. So this item, okay, which we popped out, gets appended to basket. So when you say getting appended means you will get in reverse order. So first wheat flour will be added, then rice, then sugar, tur dal, like that. Okay, so let us check the basket, how we added items. Look at this. Oh, basket dot append item. Oh, in fact, what we did, I should have, everything got removed. See why? We are executing only this cell. So as I completed this execution of this cell, the item stack became empty. So again, I should run this cell. Look at this. I run it again. Now you can see here. Look at this. Now basket contains wheat flour, okay, rice, sugar in reverse order. And if you type, if you want to see item stack, it will be empty. See, look at this. I'll run again this cell 5 and cell 6. Look at this. See, this is empty, list denotes the item stack. This denotes the basket. So what we did was we popped every item from the item stack. We added into basket. Okay. Okay. This is okay. But I want to selectively, pick one item and add into basket. So how can I do it? So what I can do, I just go here. I won't use pop. Okay. I'll comment this. I will just say print, enter the item, only one item. So let me call item is equal to, I'm going to take input from the user. Input is a function, okay, which takes input from the user. So I think I don't need to use this. Enter the item name. Okay. So the user enters a name, item name. Maybe he enters sugar, he enters tur dal, or whatever it is. Once that item is entered, we want to remove that item from the item stack and add it into basket. So what I'll do, I'll just go here, items stack dot remove. See, this is in a random order. We can remove in any order item. So we removed it, but the thing is, once you remove it, it will permanently go. Okay, the item will not be available. It's not like pop. See, pop, what happens once it removes the last item, it will put it in this. You can store it in a separate variable. But remove it, you cannot do it. So what I'm going to do is, before removing, I will add the item into. Look at this. This is the order you have to change. See, the moment he enters the item, I can check whether the item is there. So what I can do, if item in, okay, in items underscore stack. Because only when the item is there, you can remove from you can append it to basket, okay, and then you can remove from the item stack. Okay, fine. So see, I'll just remove this. Let us check the logic. So we have the complete item stack. The number of items are 7 here. Then basket is empty. Then the item stack is not equal to null list or empty list. We ask the user to enter the item name. Suppose he enter soaps. Okay, then if item in item stack, that means the item should be there, then only we can add that item into basket. Everything we can do. Okay, so that if item in item stack means it will check whether the item which he entered is in the list of items. Okay, if the item is there in the list, this will return true. See, this will return true. If it is true, it goes inside. Then we add that item into basket and we remove that item from the stack, item stack. Okay, so see, for example, he enters paste. So paste will be added into basket and it will be removed from the item stack. Fine. Then he may enter sugar, whatever it is. Okay, so until it becomes null or empty list, he can keep on adding the items. So that's what we are going to do. So what I'll do, I just go here. See, yeah, enter the item name. So I'll just say paste. enter the item name, tur dal. Okay, it's a rice. Okay, soaps. But of course, here he has to enter, all the items. Then only it comes out of the thing. Then, tamarind and wheat flour. Tamarind and wheat flour. Okay, wheat flour. Fine. I think one more item is there. Let us check. Not empty still. Sugar, I think. It's sugar. Yeah, sugar. Okay, I think one more item is a 7 item. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let us see that. Okay, I think we got some problem. We'll just see why it happens this way. Okay, I'll just give the intermediate result also, so that okay, I just show the print item stack. Item stack. Okay, and suppose enter the item name. If item is equal to over. Suppose if he enters over, what I'll do, I'll just break out of the loop. Break. Okay, fine. And I want to show the item stack also, so that you can select item. Print items stack. Okay. If he enters over, it will break out of this while loop. So let us see the logic. I'll just stop this execution. Okay, I'll run this cell again, so you can see here. Okay, what happened now? I should have run this fifth cell first. Okay, I'll stop everything. I'll run this cell. Okay, then I will run this cell. Okay, but it's not showing me the item stack. Let us see. Oh, enter the item. Oh, I should have given this on top, so that it will show me what are the items in this stack. Look at this. Okay, I'll stop now. Okay, I will just run the item stack. Then I'll go here. Yeah, soaps are there, paste. So I'll just say soaps. Okay, enter the items. Soaps I entered. Okay, so what happened was, just printing twice. I see we're doing programming, we'll do a lot of mistakes actually. Just we should be able to solve the problem. That's very important. Okay, run it again. I run. Look at this. Enter the item. So item is shown at the bottom. So what I'll do, I'll just say paste. Okay. Now paste gone from the item stack. Only soaps are there. Soaps. Okay. Soaps also bought. Then I'll say sugar. Sugar bought. Rice. Very good. Rice also bought. Then I have wheat. Yeah. Flour. I should have given. I think I forgot to give last time. The hyphen. Wheat flour. Yeah. Now tamarind. Yeah. Then $2. Okay. That's it. Look at this. So we got this is a basket and this is your item stack. This item stack. Okay. Fine. So we were able to simulate a small shopping cart, okay, with an item stack and basket. Okay, now he should be able to select the item name properly. If he makes some mistakes, then that's a problem. So of course here what you can do, you could have done this way. See, you could have copied also. You can copy the item when it shows me. You can copy the item. Suppose it's like this. Control enter, then control enter. Look at this. Now you can copy the item. Look at this. Control C, control. So you see, tamarind is bought. Then you can copy from here. Control C, control V. Fine. So like that also you can do. Then rice. Fine, sugar. Okay. Then $2. We'll copy it. $2. Okay, paste. Then soaps. Okay, look at this. So the basket contains all the 7 items, and the item stack is empty. So the while loop rotates, keeps on getting inside. Okay, as long as the list is not empty. List is not empty. When the list becomes empty, the while loop condition becomes false, so it comes out. Okay. So this session on list was useful. We will meet with some other session. Thank you.